Hello grade 12 students and welcome to a new technical English lesson. Today we will study Unit 2, Lesson 1, Part 2, Coursebook page 11, Workbook page 8. Let's start our lesson. Let's start with the objectives of today's lesson. After studying this lesson, you will be able to read and identify predictions in a report on plastics in aerospace engineering. Revise and practice well for predictions. Talk about degrees of certainty using noun phrases and adverbs. Before we start our lesson, let's have a look at some vocabulary. Our first word is the word aerospace. Aerospace means, as you can see from the picture, can you guess the meaning of the word? The industry that designs and builds planes and space vehicles. Our second word is the word carbon fiber. Look at the picture. Can you find the meaning or can you guess the meaning of carbon fiber? A plastic composite. It's a plastic composite. Good. Our next word, composite. Composite. It means a mixture of two types of materials. A mixture of two types of material. Fuselage. Fuselage means the main part or body of a plane. Produce. To make something or bring something into existence. Our last word is the word engine. Engine. I think it is an easy word. A machine that uses the energy from liquid fuel or steam to produce movement. Now let's have a look at this crossword. Open your workbook page 8, exercise number 1. Take your time to complete the crossword. Stop the video, do the activity, then play the video again to check your answers. Welcome back. Now let's check your answers. Number 1. A mixture of two types of material. What was it? Good. Composite. Good. Number 2. The industry that designs and builds planes and space vehicles. It's good. Aerospace. Aerospace. Number 3. A plastic composite. 2 words. A plastic composite. Do you remember? Good. Carbon fiber. Number 4. The main part or body of a plane. Good. Fuselage. Number 5. A plane or other vehicle that can fly. Aircraft. Good. Number 6. The material that is the topic of this unit. What do you think the answer is? Good. Plastic. In this unit, the main material we are talking about is plastic. Number 7. The horizontal part of a bridge. Tick. Number 8. A written document on a particular subject. It's good. Report. Report. 9. To build. To build. Excellent. Construct. Number 10. A structure. Built over a river, road, or rail track. What do we call it? Uh, yes, bridge. Good. Bridge. The last one, number 11, a skilled person who designs, builds, or maintains machines, engines, railways, etc. Engineer. Good. Excellent, my dear students. Now please open your coursebook, page 11, exercise number 5, reading. Your job now is to read this article and write the letters of the paragraphs A to F, which deal with these time frames. Number 1, the future. Number 2, a specified time in the past. Number 3, an unspecified time in the past. Number 4, the present. Your job now is to read and try to write the letters. You have 5 minutes to do the activity. Play the video again when you finish to check your answers. You can start now. Welcome back, my dear students. Now let's read the first one or the first paragraph together. The world will be a very different place in the year 2035. And I believe that plastics will play an important role in that new world. So here we are talking about the past or the present or the future. Good. Here we are talking about something which will happen in the future. So this is A. Let's read the second paragraph. In aerospace engineering, for example, it is probable that before 2035 they will make the fuselage body and wings of aircraft entirely from plastics or plastic composites. Here we are talking also about the future. So the answer will be, yes, B will be, we are talking about the future. Now let's move to C. However, it is unlikely that they will make the actual engine from plastics at any time in the future, and they certainly won't make one before 2035. This is also, we are talking about something that will happen in the future. So we are talking about the future. D. Some manufacturers are trying right now to build aircraft fuselages from plastic composites. D. We are talking about the present here. E. For example, one aircraft manufacturer has already designed a fuselage containing more than 50% carbon fiber, a plastic composite. E. We are talking about an unspecified time in the past. We didn't know when. Then began the project 3 years ago, and they produced the drawings at the end of last year. So this one, paragraph F, will be a specified time in the past, because last year is a specified time. Last year, we know when. Now let's move to the next exercise. All you have to do is to take the predictions below, which are the same as the ones in the article we have just read in exercise number 5. Write the letter of the paragraph, which including the prediction. Stop the video, read the paragraphs, then answer the activity. You have 5 minutes to do the activity. Play the video again when you finish to check your answer. You can start now. Welcome back. Let's check your answers. Can you read the first sentence? It's impossible that they will build a plastic engine in the future. Did we talk about this? No. Number 2, it's likely that they will construct a plastic wing before 2035. Yes. Which paragraph? B. They probably won't make a plastic engine before 2035. No, we didn't talk about this. Number 4, they definitely won't manufacture a plastic engine before 2035. Yes. In which paragraph? C. Number 5, they'll possibly make a plastic fuselage before 2035. No, we didn't talk about this. They probably won't build a plastic engine in the future. Yes, in paragraph C. Today's grammar lesson is about expressing certainty, probability, and possibility. Let's read and discuss the examples in the table. Language. It's certain, I'm certain, that they will make a plastic fuselage one day. We can say, they will certainly, definitely make a plastic fuselage one day, or if we want to make it in a negative sentence, they will certainly, definitely not make a plastic engine before 2035. Be careful because we don't use not after will, but we use not after definitely or certainly, okay? Be careful. Let's move to the second column. It's probable or likely that they will make a plastic fuselage before 2035. They will probably not make a plastic fuselage next year, if we are not sure. The last one, it's possible that they will make a plastic wing one day. We don't know when. We are not sure, so we use the word possible. They will possibly not make a plastic wing before 2035. To express certainty, if you are certain, if you are sure, you can express certainty like this. It's certain that they will make a plastic fuselage one day. They will certainly or definitely make a plastic engine before 2035. Probability. You can express probability like this. It's probable or likely that they will make a plastic fuselage before 2035. They will probably make a plastic fuselage next year. It's unlikely that they will do that. It's likely that they won't do it. Possibility. You can express possibility like this. It is possible that they will make a plastic wing one day. They will possibly make a plastic wing one day. Remember, be careful. Certainly and probably always come after will and before not. Let's have a look at this example. They will not probably make a plastic fuselage next year. What is the mistake in the sentence? Yes, good. Here he used not before probably. You should use not after probably. The right sentence is, they will probably not make a plastic fuselage next year. So be careful, my dear students. Now let's move to activity number 7. Say each of the predictions in exercise number 6 in a different way with the same meaning. For example, the first sentence, they will possibly build a plastic engine in the future. Take your time to do the activity, then write your sentences in your notebook. When you finish the activity, please play the video again for some model answers. Welcome back, my dear students. Now let's have a look at some possible answers. Number 1, they will possibly build a plastic engine in the future. Number 2, they will probably construct a plastic wing before 2035. Number 3, it's likely that they won't make a plastic engine before 2035. Number 4, it's certain that they won't manufacture a plastic engine before 2035. Number 5. It's possible that they will make a plastic fuselage before 2035. It's likely that they won't build a plastic engine in the future. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, my dear students. Till we meet again, goodbye.